Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Mike Guglielcello coming at you from Fox Knives at SHOT Show 2026. Just going to give you guys a walkthrough of all of our new models coming out in the next quarter. We're going to start out right here. This is the Audix. It is B-cut steel, 100% made in Maniago, Italy. It is a fixed blade, comes with a Kydex sheath, super comfy in the hand. You've got some forward thumb jimping for a nice forward grip. We also have the Veleno, which is a dagger, double-sided. We also have a single-sided version, but this is, this is N690 with green G10, also comes with a Kydex sheath. Next up, we have everybody's fan favorite, the Saru, in some new colorways. This is cellulose acetate scales, comes in 5 different colorways. It is a naturally occurring material, so every single scale is going to be truly unique. No two are going to be the same. Next up, we have the Dino Tracker. This is big, it's beefy, it's N690, really comfy grip, comes with a nylon sheath, and this is your absolute bushcraft madman. Comfortable in the hand, beefy, nice thick blade. This will do everything you need it to out in the wild. Next up, we've got the Predator. We're offering this in 6 flavors, including this snazzy lime green. This is an automatic, and it comes with N690 blade. This is anodized aluminum, and it does have the reversible clip. The next model up, we have the Saru. This is the Saturn. So the Saturn employs Fox's patented radius lock. So this is a thumb manipulation. So in the closed position, you have to press down on the button and then manually manipulate that open. But new for this year, Fox has made the Saturn into a flipper as well. Then we have a brand new model called the Gabby. We're very excited about this. It is a crossbar lock, reversible pocket clip, deep carry. It's Nylox blade steel, comes in 5 different colorways. So we have 2 fat carbon fiber, we have 2 G10, and 1 fully titanium. The titanium has the stone wash blade, where the others are all black blades. All right, next up, the Canops. So the Canops has been in the line for a while, but this is a redesign that we are very excited about. We've changed the blade shape for one. So we've got a little more of a drop point and that cool swedge line at the top. Also, it is now both a front flipper and a back flipper. So where before you were only able to do this as a front flipper, now you have that back flip option, nice and snappy, gives it that nice stiletto feel to it with both those hilt points on there. Oh, and on that we do retain the reversible clip, so you can right-hand or left-hand carry. We're also adding several new Canops models with a wire clip, reversible. This is the Gentleman's Canops in carbon fiber. We're doing this in B-cut steel. This is M390. And we're doing this in carbon fiber, titanium, olive, walnut, and stag. That is the Canops. And last up, we have a really cool series going on. So we're looking more at the scales than we are the models themselves. This is the Canops, but what we're looking at here is a graffiti artwork. This is UV printed. So we're going to be doing a series of these in different patterns and limited releases. So this is the Canops, and this is the Core. I think we've got 5 different Canops models and 4 different Core models in different artworks. So pick out your favorite and collect a whole set. That's what we got coming at you new for 2026. Thanks very much, guys. Enjoy the show.
Thank you.